Earthquake effects. A warning in effect.
How's it going, YouTube world? This is Norfolk Southern Storm along with
the OG.
And I think he may be sleeping, but we have JT here. And we're gonna be doing something I haven't done in a long time, and that is an unboxing or an unpackaging, whatever. Yes, I got me another radio, but this is actually a replacement. I don't know if you guys remember the Crosse technology radio that I had that looked like a pyramid, and it's put away because yeah, let's just say it stopped working. Well, I got a replacement for it. I went and got another one, and hopefully this one will work better than the last one that I got. So, with that said, we're gonna open this. Let's not show my address. Hang on. Alright. And here it is. I love how they put black tape all over this. Yeah, remember this thing? Yep. Alright. Hang on a second. I am going to open this. And here it is. The new and improved. There it is. Press button for good luck. This one actually looks a lot cleaner than the last one I had. Let's see, this here takes AAA batteries.
Yes.
I don't think I have the AAAs, unfortunately. But that's okay. This is one of those radios that I plug in anyway. Because just like all the other radios that I have, this one eats batteries like it's candy.
Uh-huh.
So I'm actually going to test it right here. Hang on a second. Stare at the radio for a minute. Or stare at my Christmas decorations as well. And there goes JT.
Yep. He probably called it a night.
Alright, oh, get this untangled. So I got plenty of space over here. Ow. Let's not hit my neck on the desk.
Don't hurt yourself.
Too late.
Why?
He hates it when I hurt myself.
Yeah.
I can't help it, I'm clumsy. Alright. Alright. button for good luck. Let's pray that this thing works. And it does.
Hey.
Look at that. Alright. Now to try to remember.
Oh, man.
Now to try to remember how this thing, how to set this thing. Or don't tell me this is gonna be like the last one.
It's probably going to be the last one.
Oh boy. Oh, there it goes. Alright, sweet. I'm gonna do that for right now. Time setting. It is 1 a.m. It is December. Okay, I wish it was December.
Alright, now you're getting ahead of yourself.
Just a little bit. I wish it was December. Then I'd be out there.
Exactly.
You already know. Scroll speed. Not too slow and not too fast, so I'm just going to leave it at a 2. Worry about that later. That later. Select alerts. Again, I'll do that later.
Oh, no, it went out.
Dim the lights. Alright. It's set. I may or may not leave it on channel 1. But I'm just going to leave it at that for right now. I'm just going to leave it on KDO 94.
Should leave it on channel 7.
Channel 7?
Yeah. Should leave it on KHP 59.
I mean, I could have it on KHP 59.
Or you can leave it on WWG 56.
I could. Or I might put it on channel 2.
Yeah.
And no, this thing does not have a siren. It does not have a siren. Let me...
I mean, it could.
Absolutely. Alright, hang tight. Alright, I'll have to fix this later. I'll eventually get this thing going. But, yeah. What's the model number of this thing? Oh. W85947. My Crosse W85947 is back. Once I can get this thing going. Hopefully this one will work a whole lot better than the last one. With that said, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this short, brief, but devious video. It's always devious when we're around.
Exactly.
Yeet! In the meantime, this is Norfolk Southern Storm signing out along with
The OG NorCal Dude 599.
and we'll catch you guys next time, whatever the heck it is that we're doing. Until then, I'm gonna figure out how to get this thing to be active and where to put it. Peace out. And go number 9.